not that loud. I know. What's the problem now? Why do you stop breathing? Oh, good.
Oh, God. You'll be able to sleep with a snoring man.
No problem.
The best, Jesus. Oh, my God, it would drive me crazy. It does drive me crazy, Long, yeah.
It does. I just zone it out. That's what every now and then I'm like, yeah, damn. She's kind of loud.